Hey everyone, this is Chris DeRolf from Oak Ridge National Laboratory, here to give you a brief description of the stream classification web mapping platform. So when you log into the tool, this is the splash screen that you'll see, which includes a hyperlink to a website which will allow you to access more details about the stream classification project and other projects associated with the National Hydropower Asset Assessment Program, or NAP. So after you close out of the splash screen and enter the tool, there are quite a few different layers in the tool that you can toggle on and off and view. The default view just shows state boundaries with hydrologic classes, and there is additional information on the website which will describe all of these different layers so you can get more context and details there. So for visualization purposes, we've summarized the main components of the stream classification analysis. There are, I guess, 5 main components: hydrologic classes, stream size classes, stream gradient classes, stream confinement classes, and temperature classes. So there are groups of layers that summarize each of those 5 main classes at different scales, and those turn on and off automatically as you zoom in and out on the map so that you can see more detail the closer you get. So on the right hand side of the screen, when the tool launches, you'll see the layer list. We've provided states and a couple different scales of larger watersheds, power plant locations, U.S. stream gauges across the country, and a stream network of all of the NHD Plus version 2 stream reaches with all of our important data attributes attached to each stream reach. So all of the different classes associated with the stream classification analysis and results. So we'll come back to that in a minute, to the stream network for querying layer. So looking at the top of the ribbon here, there's actually a hyperlink to ORNL's homepage if you're so inclined to go there to get more information about ORNL. And then there are a few hyperlinks here. One that will take you to the project landing page with user guide tutorials, this being one of those. A hyperlink to the NAP website if you'd like more information about NAP and that research effort, and also a hyperlink to the ORNL hydropower page. So I'm just trying to provide some easy access to other content on hydropower related research happening at ORNL. So we've already looked at the layer list here on the top right. You can toggle that on and off to turn different layers on and off. Depending on which layers you have turned on, the legend will update dynamically with those layers, so you can turn your legend on and off to make sure you know what you're looking at. You can set bookmarks if there are particular features or areas you're interested in. You can create bookmarks that will automatically take you back to that location. We've also provided some functionality to let users be able to draw shapes, points, lines, polygons, markers, etc. on the map, just to kind of customize a view if you're hoping to save an image or print an image or a PDF of the work that you've done during your session. You can also add text through this draw toolbar also. You can measure lengths and widths and areas, and also get latitude and longitude locations. And then we've got some functionality here for you to be able to print maps to images or PDFs. So that's kind of the basic map interface functionality. There are a few more things over here on the top left which are pretty standard. Zoom in, zoom out, return to your default extent. And so that's kind of a quick overview of some of the basic functionality. I guess the last piece of the basic functionality is that we've allowed you to change the base map that you see in the viewer. So if you're looking at a layer and you want to get more contrast with the background, you can try different base maps to try to make things pop or to highlight certain things. So we've included that functionality also. Let's go back to our original base map. So the next tutorial will be focused on these three tools that we have set up here. So selecting things, querying things, and summarizing energy potential based on those queries. So thanks, and please check out the second video in this series.